Hello, this is Juul, I'm Paddy, and we're currently travelling around the world for as long as we can.
Until we run out of money.
Yeah, well, let's see how far we can get.
Good morning. It is 6:30 and we are up and ready to go because we're going on a big boat tour. Yeah, we're going to all like the main points on the Phi Phi Islands, but they say to go really early so that you can get to all the places before the big tour groups come in. So we've got a boat for literally just the two of us. It's our bad boy for the day.
Such an excessively large boat for just us two.
We deserve it.
We
We want to sit wherever we want to sit.
So this boat costs us just 30 euros each, and it's going to take us to so many points across the pier, across the Phi Phi Islands. The water's so clear. And when we were walking in, we had to walk in the water, of course, but it was like not cold. It was like, yeah, literally, it's so good. So we're going to be doing this, and there's going to be a serious amount of snorkeling we do pretty much in every stop. Even Sharks Point? Yeah. So, thank you. We got our snorkels. Here we go. Look at the little scuba marks already. By the end of the day, it's gonna be like a tattoo.
How's that?
Oh my god, that was insane.
That was the first spot when we just left the pier. I don't know if it's gonna get any better than that, but that was only just the first stop, so I'm mind blown by that already.
He is. He's a very quantity over quality kind of guy. Because there's just a lot of fish. And he was like,
I also base all my marine knowledge based on fish that are in Finding Nemo. If they weren't in Finding Nemo, I don't think they're real. So it's 7:20 in the morning, and I feel like it's like, oh, I've got the day started good and early getting in the water. But the water was just so warm. It wasn't like a cold shock or anything. It was really nice to swim in. The next spot we're at is the Viking Cave, and it looks like it's very much under construction.
Got a lot of construction site.
Wow. Time to put the snorkeling mask back on.
Paddy and his fishy friends.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Look at them. Well, you've probably seen tons of videos of these now. Because all I've seen him do take videos of these. But he's so happy now.
Potential baby sharks.
Wanted quality over quantity,
Yeah.
and you got 100,000 fish.
I'm so curious for you guys what kind of videos you got, because Paddy had the phone and I just seen him. I think he took like 20 videos of the same fish.
Yes.
And I kept like pointing out other fish and he was just like, yeah, look at all my fish. For fuck's sake. Kill me already.
This is serene. This is like out of movies. Look how just big and sharp this is.
Very pretty. Look at the color. The color of the water is insane. Enjoying yourself? Enjoying yourself. Redeeming himself was not on the menu today.
It's like the most gorgeous spot though, just to be sitting in a boat. Like there's only 3 boats there, 1 boat past. It's quite enough compared to like Halong Bay.
Yeah. This is insane. The water, it's just the color of the water is insane.
Alright, we're pulling into Losama Bay now, and as the days get longer, the boats are coming in. There's more boats coming. But here it is. It's so gorgeous. This place is not real. It's so cool. It's mental. We thought that was Mosquito Island and Bamboo Island, but that's not on Google Maps, like at all. So I'm naming it Paddy Island and other Paddy Island, Columbus.
It's Maya Bay.
Coming into Maya Bay now. We haven't paid the tickets for it, which is how much? 400 baht. Just stand on the beach, or you can stay on the boat and just get in the water for free.
We're budget travelers.
That does look pretty good though. To be fair, if I was on the beach, I just want to get in the water. So, yeah, a lot of. It's not. No one's chilling. Everyone's just looking at the water. Everyone's looking at us. We're the attraction.
We're the water.
We are.
Oh yeah.
Moana. Cool. There's more fish. You want to go see some more fish?
No, it's the same one.
You know what we're doing? We're snorkeling. How many fish you want to see?
I'm filming.
1,000.
I'm filming. No more of those fucking stripy fish.
So she tried not to record any stripy fish,
Yeah.
and then adopted a baby stripy fish.
Yeah.
It was the tiniest thing, and it would not leave. Like I swam, like I had it on me for ages, just going around, and then I swam to like a big group of the stripy fish, thinking that it would just go off with them. Swam away for like 5-10 minutes, and then I turned around quickly because she pointed somewhere, and there he was, just like swimming right in my eye. It was so cute.
It was adorable.
So stripy fish are the best fish? Stripy fish are the best fish. Back on the boat now, and pineapple and banana. Cute.
It's cute.
I'm not a pineapple connoisseur, but it's very good. Now I think our last and final stop is going to be Monkey Bay.
I think so too.
Which I'm so excited for. Yeah, we're at Monkey Bay. He's just chilling to be fair to him. Not that out. Is that your favorite?
That was definitely my favorite. Well, I love the snorkeling as well, but this is just funny to see.
That was so wild. It was so good, so good. And I find it mad they just live there. That's just their house like. We're back at the beach now after the boat tour. It was really good. Got to see so many places that we weren't expecting to see. And well worth the price for a private tour.
100%.
It's really good. Cost us only 28 euros each, 30 euros each.
It was good.
Very
It was
good.
really good. It was so nice to see the fish, the Nazi shark, see
The monkeys. And just being on the boat and seeing the island, like the mountains are ridiculous. Bye bye boat. Till next time.
And I think we're gonna take a nap now. Bye.